and welcome back to That Movie Show. I'm your host, Shelley Poole. Now, a long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, well, actually it's only like a week away, geographically it's only like a couple blocks away from ULR. I'm speaking, of course, of the Star Wars trilogy. Star Wars, The Empire Strikes Back, and Return of the Jedi, each to be released within like, a couple weeks of each other. For those of you who don't know, May 25th of this year marks the 20th anniversary of the first showing of the original Star Wars. At that point, they were actually forming the historical precedents for the kind of killer special effects technology we see on the silver screen today. That's because, what's his name, George Lucas, formed that company, Industrial Light and Magic, and we've seen movies like Jurassic Park, movies like, what's that movie just came out? Mars Attacks, that's right. And for those of you who have never seen it at all, hey, what was that? For those of you who have never seen the Star Wars trilogy at all, well, shame on you. It's been on cable way too many times for you to miss. A more realistic situation is to have, hey, what was that? Is to have never seen it in the theater. Though, you know what, that idea scares me too a little bit there. At any rate, the time has come when George Lucas, good man that he is, decided to give us another chance. Yippee! Let's see.